everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the inbox feature and how you can use the AI to help you respond to customer reviews. So to access the inbox and everything social media, go ahead and use this social media tab. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see this menu. Go ahead and choose inbox. You'll be brought to this page, which will give you an overview of all of your different notifications. We have a complete overview video tutorial of the inbox feature, so definitely check that out to see all of the different features you can use on inbox. But in this video, we're going to be talking about responding to a customer review. So I have this message opened up, and I can see this is a great review. I can see up here and on the right-hand side the original post that this customer commented on. I can also see details of when it was started and the last time it was updated. I want to respond using the AI, so I'm going to click this AI assistant button right here. This window will open up, and now I'm going to choose Use AI Templates and Documents. The AI assistant will open up on the right-hand side, and you'll be brought to the customer support folder, which has all of the different templates that are usually used when you're dealing with customer support. If you scroll all the way down, you'll see the review responder template. Go ahead and select that. And now we're going to select our desired language, type in our product name, and then we're going to copy and paste our customer review into this section here. Once you've done that, you can always toggle these advanced options on to control the number of results as well as the creativity level or tone. Once you've filled out all of your fields, go ahead and click Generate. And in just a few seconds, the AI will generate amazing results for you to choose from. Once you found the one that you love, simply use this plus icon to add it to your message. You can use this heart icon to add it to your favorites, copy and paste using this icon, delete it using this icon, or edit or flag using this three-dot icon here. You can close this window by using this arrow, and now you have this amazing response ready to go for your customer. One other tool that I want to talk to you quickly about that is helpful when responding to customers, especially if you have a large customer service team and are using the same kind of copy over and over, is this Snippets tool. If you use this little icon here, it will open your snippets, which is just another word for saved replies. So I have these saved responses labeled, so all I have to do is click, and it will be added to my message. Again, this is a great tool to use if you want to create a unified tone within your team and also want to save a little bit of time. Now all I have to do is I'm going to add in my customer's name to keep it a little bit personalized. And now that I'm finished with my message, I'm going to use this yellow send button to send it to my customer. And now my message has been sent and my customer will see it just like I'm responding to them on Facebook. When you're finished with responding to a customer, I highly recommend using this Mark as Resolved button, which will then remove this notification from your new notifications and will move the notification to the resolved section of your inbox. So if you're looking at your inbox and you actually toggle this on here, you can see your new notifications as well as your resolved notifications. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and do check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified's tools can help you every step of the way. See you there.